Okay, so what we have on here is a GM LS based engine called the L33 2005 through 7 GMC and Chevy extended 4x4 trucks. They needed more power, so this engine was created. 9.9 compression, 5.3. Let's see, LS6 style heads, slightly more lift on the camshaft originally. This one's now got an upgrade. Just a mild Summit racing style one, using stock springs, just a little bit more duration. And we have an FiTech intake on this one. There's the computer there, all the brains. Holly mid-mount accessories. So bearing in mind that this is all going to fit into one of my MG creations, MGB V8 conversion, using one of my install kits. And then on the end we have a couple of Varax X-Force brand mufflers. They have the butterflies inside to change the note, which I'll demonstrate here in a minute. So, and then my engine stand, nothing too fancy on that. Beautiful December day in Illinois. All right, let's fire her up.